The future is AI, but it may also be one of the creepiest and scariest periods ever seen, with the crazy inventions that are rapidly introduced in the AI verse. From the potential use of AI in developing military wares to the threat of hyper-realistic deepfakes, 2024 seems likely to build on the groundbreaking ChatGPT capped 2023 with disturbing AI breakthroughs. Let's dive into 10 artificial intelligence that can threaten humanity's future. But first, subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell to be among the first subscribers to see upcoming videos from us. Let's begin with one of the most escalating cyber threats that could grow even worse with the help of AI, and that is hyper-realistic deepfakes. The scale of the damage wrongful use of deepfakes could cause is unspeakable. AI has gotten so good with deepfakes that it can generate real-time deepfakes, like in live video feeds. We've seen even better improvements in generating human faces so good that people can no longer make out what's real or fake. With the ability to fabricate images or videos of people, any random person can generate the face of any person who might be misrepresented, incriminated, or bullied. With the advancement of AI deepfake technology, this scheme could be carried out in 2024 with almost no detection. Tools that could help people detect deepfakes are yet to go mainstream, so there might be a lot of damage done before a regular person can finally access these tools. The technology is already having a political impact as AI experts warn that deepfakes could be used to interfere with the upcoming US elections. What could be more threatening than the danger posed to the most powerful nation in the world? Artificial General Intelligence, or for short, AGI, is another milestone AI is looking to attain in 2024. Once these particular AI systems are developed, artificial intelligence will have autonomous self-control, possess cognitive abilities, and the ability to learn new skills. If you've watched science fiction movies where robots act on their own, it was because this software was installed in them. Now, just like in science fiction, this form of machine intelligence is still hypothetical. However, there are rumors of an advanced technology called Q-Star, which is allegedly being developed by OpenAI. Q-Star is considered an embodiment of artificial general intelligence, according to Reuters. If it's true, then this would define the future, a future where machines are as smart as, if not smarter than, humans. While AGI may be a very helpful application for humans, the possibility of a machine teaching itself and doing things it wasn't originally trained for is quite worrying. Another science fiction concept that might become our reality in 2024 is the involvement of killer robots in warfare. In the past few years, AI has served as a warfare tool and is likely to get even more involved in significant areas, from logistics to decision support systems and research and development. Speaking about development, one of the most feared prospects in this area is that of lethal autonomous weapons systems, or put plainly, killer robots. We are yet to see the rampant use of these robots, but judging by some developments, 2024 might be a breakout year for the technology. We already saw something of this sort in Ukraine, where Russia deployed the Zala KYB UAV drone, which could recognize and attack targets without human input. There is also news of Australia's Ghost Shark, an autonomous submarine system. With the world powers competing to match themselves in military assets and wares, we will likely see the development of lethal autonomous weapons on a massive scale. The next disturbing AI breakthrough is a technology that can not only steal your voice, but generate a human-like voice and text-to-speech conversation, with the modification ability to reply within milliseconds in real time. With advanced text-to-speech AI tools like Play.ht, you have access to more than 600 unique AI voices. The thing with these voices is that they are ultra-realistic and sound natural, meaning that if they get into the wrong hands, they can be used as a tool for scamming and many other illegal activities, as scammers are one of the biggest users of AI technologies. It will be a big problem because people would easily let their guard down when they get a phone call and hear the voice of a relative giving certain instructions, whereas you're probably just speaking with a scammer who trained an AI to speak like that. See? Big issue. Next is one of the biggest things that will happen in the gaming world, and that is the first ever video game NPCs. In a bid to increase immersion in video games, gaming developers will start integrating AI into the development of non-playable characters. The aim of this is to drive replayability, retention, and revenue. What this means for players is that they can have conversations based on the context of their interactions. The NPCs are not fed with scripted lines of replies. They are trained to act based on inputs and conditions. In the footage of a video game demo where AI NPCs were told they weren't real, they were immediately thrown into a confused state and experienced existential dread because of that information. The implication of this is that we may likely see NPCs go haywire and do macabre things on our monitors. The next big AI breakthrough is humanoid robots. Already these robots, which are shaped like the human body, have been spotted on university campuses and the surroundings of large organizations across the world. Their primary purpose is to enhance business operations and create solutions within essential services. In 2024, we will have advanced robots that will be moving at an accelerated pace. This is engineered by a platform called NVIDIA Omniverse, where synthetic data can be acquired through millions of tries. So, with NVIDIA, you can train a robot to master unique movements. Next is autonomous agents. Autonomous agents, just as the name implies, are systems that do not need human intervention for decision-making and executing actions. They are created basically to carry out objectives given to them, whereby they create, prioritize, and complete tasks by themselves. It's like an upgraded ChatGPT. Rather than having an input and output relationship you have with ChatGPT, these agents are created to act like your teammate. That would be extremely helpful, wouldn't it? However, the issue with these agents is that they need to make the right decisions consistently. Otherwise, continuous wrong decisions could disrupt the computer operation. So what happens when this problem isn't completely tackled before launch? There will be an invasion all over the internet, which in comparison would make bots look like jokes. The next big thing is the rise of AI influencers. Yes, you heard that right, if you didn't know already. There are Instagram models whose accounts you might have come across that aren't real people. In 2024, the number of these AI models is expected to increase rapidly because it has proven to be a cash cow. What's the implication of this? Having an AI model and cooking up content for it in a matter of minutes kind of waters down the efforts of actual content creators who spend hours making videos and content. Also, with the increase in the number of these AI-generated personalities and the juicy revenue potential, we may have a future where there will be more AI influencers than humans. The next big thing is self-driving vehicles. Self-driving vehicles have long been touted as the future of transportation, but each time progress is made with its rollout, it is hit back with valid concerns, which is about the safety of allowing a computer to drive you. We've seen science fiction where self-driving vehicles were electronically hacked and manipulated, which is not beyond possible in real life, as it can take one sensor failure or glitch to cause a fatality. Will self-driving vehicles become more rampant in 2024? Yes, but there will be just as much skepticism about how safe it is to board them. The last big AI breakthrough that is worrying is that of big machines. Picture this. Self-driving tractors cruising through fields and trash compactors compacting away without a human in sight. It's a scene that triggers mixed emotions. Some folks are intrigued, while others are downright wary. After all, when it comes to massive machinery, many believe it's best left in human hands, not controlled by some computer algorithm. Are big machines very helpful? Oh yes, but the fears are not unfounded. The combination of non-human cognitive systems and big physical pieces of hardware can be a recipe for disaster if not properly managed. The issues of management, ethical, and legal implications must be taken seriously to govern the growth of AI and ensure responsible use. Certainly, AI is the future, but it also requires human supervision to keep things in check. And that's a wrap on this dive into what we should expect from the AI-verse in 2024. Which breakthrough are you most interested in? Let us know in the comments. Also, kindly subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the notification button to be the first to see other exciting and insightful videos from us. Until next time.